Hey guys, so I'm gonna go outside real quick, okay y'all? Hey guys, so today's a rainy day in my country. Okay, I'm gonna be out with my nana and papa. If you can't see me, I'm just gonna hear you this rain. Oh my god! Excuse me. Okay, I just gotta show you my face. Dude, look at this. Well, you can't look at it, you can see it. But, dude, look at this. You probably can see the raindrops, see? I actually went outside because I actually went into the rain. I had to change my clothes about twice. No, once. I ran out there 4 or 3 times. So here's my papa. Here's me. Probably can't see me, but you can't see nothing basically. I'm making a video on this. I'm legit making a video on this. My phone's waterproof. Hey, if you're in Mississippi, I know how you feel. Woo! I'm still getting wet from here. I'm actually getting wet from this area. Got him, got. That means you cannot see me. If you hear the thunder right now, where's the umbrella, Papa? So I want to go out.
No, you're not gonna go back out there.
Please.
I'm gonna go in. Come on, go in.
No, I want an umbrella.
Go out in the rain for what?
I'm gonna show my viewers. No, I'm gonna go let them come outside to hear it more.
I actually had to move them boxes over because it won't get wet. Yeah.
What boxes? Oh. Hey guys, you heard that, right? Yikes. Oh, that my eyes are. It literally got blinded because of that.